We bought that property in February. In February. And we've only been there for 2 months. For 2 months. For 2 months. All the hard work, all the sleepless nights, everything. If you are in Lagos, you know how much properties in ATMs are cost. You know how much properties in ATMs are cost. Each time my son see me crying, he will always ask me why I'm crying. Mommy, you've been crying. How do I explain to our son? How? What do I tell my children? I'm trying so hard to be a strong woman, but this is very painful. I don't even wish anybody a pain like this. I don't wish anybody to work so hard, so tireless, and face something like this. I don't.
The statement of General Odumegwu Ojukwu many years ago to Igbo people in Lagos. He said, and I quote, "In the end, Igbos will regret all these investments they are pouring into Lagos State because in a matter of time, only with a pen through one legislation, Lagos State legislators will write off their properties. They will forfeit all their homes and investments they have sunk into Lagos State." Unquote. Those who fail to learn from history are doomed to repeat it. It's a shame that even with the atrocities that was done to the Igbos in Nigeria during the genocidal civil war that was targeted to wipe us out, we have failed to learn from it. They took over our properties, investments, billions in the bank, and only gave us a mere $20 trillion so survive. Not everyone will bounce back from such devastating loss and setback, but the Igbos did. We came back stronger, more powerful, and even became the richest people in Nigeria. Sadly, we failed to learn from our mistakes. Now, with the targeted demolition of Igbos properties in Lagos State and closing down of businesses, only the wise will understand the handwriting on the wall and start doing the needful before it becomes too late. Once bitten, twice shy. Sadly, Igbo people have been bitten not once, not twice yet. We have failed to take the necessary steps and action. It's time for Igbo people to know their economic worth in Nigeria and start taking advantage of it. We hold the important cards, but we need to start playing them well. We can't keep acting like a conquered people. Igbo land is not landlocked. Yes, we know there are challenges in the southeast, but it's everywhere in Nigeria. Besides, nobody said it was going to be easy. But one step at a time, we will get it done. It's a collective effort from all the Igbo elites, billionaires, politicians, leaders, traders, etc. Seaports will come eventually, even if the federal government of Nigeria have refused to do the needful. It shouldn't continue to be an excuse for Igbos not to bring their investments and money home. We know the agenda against Igbo people in Nigeria, the marginalization and economic blockade against the southeast, yet we have continued to thrive. So let's start withdrawing our investments from these hostile places and move them back home. This is my 100th time talking about this issue, and will continue to do so until we do the needful while we still can. Stay tuned, and have a blessed day.